What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Stock Picks by Tim. I wanted to bring up Workhorse really quick for you and bring up an event that's going on and an event that's coming up here. So I've got some stuff to keep on your radar, and then after that I'm going to show you some drone footage from someone that posted it on Reddit. I try to give you credit, but I can't find that post. But anyways, let's get into it, guys. Now this conference is the ACT Expo, and it's going on from the 30th to the September 2nd. In Long Beach, California. And here you have the Workhorse C1000 right there. You've got some other competitors. You've got the Nikola. Here's the Lion Electric, the Lordstown's truck. Lightning Motors, E-Motors. And then here we have hyliion as well. So it's a big event. We've got quite a bunch of people that join, different companies that are interested in this going on. I'm going to show you guys actually their booth that's set up here, or where their booth is going to be. Here we have hyliion, there's Workhorse right next to Peterbilt, Eaton, and Oshkosh. That's crazy. At least they're not next to each other, right? And don't forget, guys, also the Run On Less electric event here is going to go on September 2. So keep an eye on September 2. Keep an eye on this expo hall. Just go on actexpo.com. You can check that out, and then you can go on runonless.com. I'll put links in the description. I also have another video talking about Run On Less. That's going to be in the description as well. But before that drone footage, guys, I just wanted to show you a couple pictures of some Workhorse trucks that someone at the event posted, and they look pretty awesome. Now here we have the Workhorse truck, at the C1000. Someone posted it on Reddit, I noticed, and they're at the event right now, the ACT Expo. And we've got the very front here. I like the matte design. I think it's pretty cool. I like the LED lights. I think it looks badass. Their logo's nice on the front of the hood and on the top. They got their full company name. But I think it's pretty cool stuff. And here you have the side view. See their license plate from Ohio. Pretty cool design. And then here's a front view inside the expo. I'm guessing at the area that they were assigned. And I'm going to give him a shout out real quick here. Shout out to It's Juicy for that one. Good shit, man. We appreciate you. But thanks again, guys. Hit the like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And let's get into that drone footage. you.